Today, making burger. May post sa YouTube ba?
Alright, and the next one is you put the crown on the center of your cheeseburger wrapper. You put the crown on the center of the cheeseburger wrapper. Like this, you must look like this. And the next one is step 3. You must put a mustard on above the crown bun. You spread the mustard on your crown bun. If you don't like mustard, you can skip the mustard. And ketchup. Put the ketchup above the mustard.
I like
And the step 5 is peanuts na lang. Or i-give na lang sa others kung gano'n silang.
Where's my cheese? Where's my cheese? Can I have my cheese?
It must look like this. Choppers, look. It must look like this. This is choppers. Look. Place it above the patty. Balik na siya. Balik.
We got the shrimp. That's so so
Wait natin para makita ito na sa'yo. Like this. Choppers.
Take this.
Roll the cheeseburger. Good job, toppers. That's right. Tanawon na nato ba ng kabalo ba? The cheeseburger name na.
Ma, ang sticker na ko, ma.
Once you are done here, request all of the TV crew toppers to please come here in the front so you will be taking a picture together with your cheeseburger.
Anong iyan? Ano ba?
Alright, please stand up.